Hi y'all, so let's get ready to learn about the three types of rocks from this fun song. Sing along and have fun. Yeah, I'm gonna take my rocks to the microscope. I'm gonna learn about how they're formed. I'm gonna take my rocks to the microscope. I'm gonna learn about how they're formed. I got my three types of rocks. Igneous is first, comes from molten rock formed from cooling lava due to high force. Metamorphic forms, changed by heat and pressure, yeah, these rocks form. I know all about my rocks. I can tell you everything. I know all about my rocks. I can tell you everything. Sedimentary is extraordinary, broken down from other rocks, made into a new one. My rocks are so groovy, unique and so cutesy, formed from Earth's nature, fascinating beauty. I know all about my rocks. I can tell you everything. I'm gonna take my rocks to the microscope. I'm gonna learn about how they're formed. Igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, three types of rocks, all formed very. Let's go learn about the rocks and gain a lot of knowledge. Classifying rocks is my favorite thing to do now. God knows just I've learned and all that I'm like a geologist, so I kick back and relax. Wish I could roll on back to these old time rocks. I'm gonna learn about all the types. That was so good, guys. So just to review, that is an igneous rock. The middle one is the metamorphic. And then the last one over here is a sedimentary rock. So let's get ready to learn so much more about these rocks and how they are formed.